If you're using Hostgator and need to update your DNS settings for 2025, whether you're switching hosting providers, connecting a new site builder, or fixing domain issues, this quick guide will walk you through it clearly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing hostgator.com. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log into your customer portal. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the Hostgator dashboard, which acts as your main hub for everything related to hosting and domains. From the dashboard, look for the Domain section and click it. This opens all available management options tied to your registered domains. Now, head over to the Settings tab within that section. This area is where you adjust domain configurations and access more advanced tools. Next, find and click Advanced Tools. This section is designed for precise settings and gives you full control over how your domain connects. Within Advanced Tools, look for the option labeled Name Servers or DNS. That's the one you need. Once you open the name server settings, you can enter the custom DNS values provided by your hosting provider or service. Replace the existing name servers with the new ones exactly as they're given. Accuracy here is crucial. After entering them, take a moment to double check for typos or spacing mistakes, since even a small error can take your site offline. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Hostgator will update the domain's DNS on their end. Keep in mind, DNS changes don't apply instantly everywhere. Propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours depending on the registrar. But your part is done once you save. At this point, your new DNS settings are in place. You can revisit the same menu anytime if you ever need to update or switch providers again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, stick around the channel for more quick hosting and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.